What's exciting about the network is the way it brings together industry and bright researchers, particularly early career researchers, to work on common challenges. What the network does is to make those connections with companies who might be able to take up the ideas and implement them to the benefit of the company and the wider economy. But at the same time, by doing this, researchers learn more about the domain knowledge that the industry has, and they learn about the challenges the industry has, and this can really help them to focus their research and make it so that it can actually have an impact.
The grouping, I think, is a microcosm of if there's any technology or any scientific aspect to this. I think the makeup of the group absolutely lives that.
Connected Everything has been quite a good network actually, because I've got to meet a number of people. I've got to meet a number of people, a number of professors, and they have been very instrumental in mentoring me in one shape or form to develop my career further.
I get a lot of the development work in industry around connected digital everything, whether it's sensors to control systems or wider within manufacturing supply chains or whatever. And it really is it's very useful to be able to see a little bit upstream and to get an idea of what's coming next.
It does what it says on the tin. It connects everything. So the connection is between academics, across academic associations, across industry, people that are enthusiastic about what they do can do remarkable things. And just that connection makes it this very, very special. I don't think there's another organisation that does it.
The activities under Connected Everything kind of relate to my goal for my research in the sense that it gives you that platform to get that industrial attachment to your research. Being a researcher, we're fully focused on academia, but with Connected Everything, the grant awarded to me, the opportunity to do placement certification has really helped me, go to the industrial side of it and investigate more regarding my research in regards to hardware type, the hardware side of it, meeting industry experts to make me know my technical know-how to further my research. So it's been an amazing experience. The team has been really helpful, supportful, and the feedback they require from you, to help them grow has been amazing.
My research is bit with artificial intelligence, and if I make it in a broader sense, it's for Industry 4.0. And when I looked into Connected Everything, and I found a bit of guidelines there, and they really focus on Industry 4.0. And then I thought, why not apply for this grant? And I'm very thankful to Deborah.
We put the application in, went through the interview process, and here we are. It's sort of fostered developing relationships with the partner companies we've been working with. So we've been working with 2 North Walian manufacturers. We've built really strong, positive relationships with those through this activity.
It's been an amazing way to kind of start off and build up a group and get some experience and to move into a new field that I wanted to pursue.
Connected Everything has allowed us to kind of come out of the lab and integrate it into manufacturing and expand our horizons in terms of different ways to deposit it in real world.
A feasibility study gives you the chance to test how it feels to run a small team. And you can do the mistakes and you can try to see how you can recover from them without having, a big grant where you have to have a massive output in the end. So you can fail a small level essentially, and it's fine. Somebody is almost like holding your hand as you do it.
Having Connected Everything, branch me out to the industry to see, okay, you can be like academics and, know what's happening in the industry, be in touch with the new technology, the new trends. So that bridge across academia and industry has been a really, really fantastic opportunity, and I thank Connected Everything for that.
And I think the team is very supportive and they are very loving and caring. Yeah.
For me personally, as somebody at the very start of this, it's really interesting to see how other disciplines sort of run their methodologies and their points of view of starting projects and how those manifest themselves.
The part of PepsiCo is actually now sponsoring a match-funded PhD to advance and to accelerate this project, which would be very, very positive situation as far as our research is concerned. Because of that, I'm able to supervise PhD students for the first time. Also, my working with industry has improved. And with that also, I have started research in the area which actually I was not working at all. So neuroimaging and smart manufacturing is something, a very new field here.
Connected Everything was a really amazing way to kind of have a go at applying in a really friendly, supportive atmosphere, in a way that allowed me to kind of build up some experience, meet some people and try my hand at it. And I found that it went really well. So it's been a real confidence boost, and it's definitely helped me kind of take the first step towards a large grant. So it's been amazing.
For Alejandro, he was part of the Connected Everything 1, so this has gone from him being able to be a co-investigator to a principal investigator, and then for me personally, a platform to start engaging with research in a more professional context, I guess.
It was my first experience to be a principal investigator of a research program, and after that, I got somehow confidence in myself to apply for another fundings, and hopefully I got positive results after that. And it was my first step, and when I reached this first step, it was very helpful for me to go further.
They tell you everything, and then we got invited to London to give the pitch, and everything was personable and everything was fitted according to our needs.
We Connected Everything. I had the chance of actually discussing with a person the positive and negative aspects of my proposal, and I think that was massively beneficial for my growth. It gives you the track record so that you can apply for larger funding. It also gives you really nice preliminary data that you can actually put in this proposal. So yeah, I think it has been a fantastic experience in general.
For anybody who's not a part of the network, I will encourage them to get involved so as to build a network. So for us early career researchers, sometimes it's quite difficult to build that initial network to give you a leg up. In either looking at your publications to make sure they are okay, or even helping you in writing your grants. So connecting to Connected Everything is an opportunity to get you connected to experienced researchers.
Connected Everything is not just the feasibility studies. It's a risk-taking attitude. So it will take, that looks interesting. And if there's something, perhaps there's a little bit of faltering in there on a new research, they've got a whole mentoring support system that they can pull on. And they would get a mentor, but that person or that mentor can pull in any one of us that are our mentors into the equation to develop the missing gaps. So we end up with a very rounded individual at the end of it, not just the project, but the individual is enhanced.
So I can't speak highly enough of Connected Everything. They've been really supportive. Certainly the feedback that you get, it sort of demystifies, certainly as an early career research, this desire or the need to sort of go for funding. So it's been really supportive as a network for that everyone's approachable. So it's very collegial in that sense. So it's like, again, it's another really championing factor for Connected Everything. It's brilliant. Highly recommend for any early career research in particular to put a research bid in for it. I cannot speak highly enough of it in that regards.
Just thank you very much for the opportunity, I suppose.